Welcome back. Today I'm going to make for you an Amaretto Stone Sour. I actually really like this drink, and what I'm going to do is show you how to use, utilize your own simple syrup. So what we have for an Amaretto Stone Sour is, of course, Amaretto. We're going to use a little bit of egg white, you'll see in a minute, orange juice, and then a sweet and sour mix. And I'll show you just kind of how I just utilize a sweet and sour mix, kind of making my own here. I actually don't make my own sugar, I just purchase the sugar, but instead of using a sweet and sour mix that you can buy in the store, which is perfectly fine, I actually use a little bit of lemon juice that you can just buy in the store. So what goes into an Amaretto Stone Sour? So what we're going to do is we're going to put in 1.5 ounces of Amaretto, we're going to put in 2 ounces of orange juice, 1 ounce of sweet and sour. So what it's going to be is a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of egg white. Once it's going to do is it's going to froth up a little bit. And instead of shaking it or stirring it, what I'm going to do is I have a little bullet blender here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the ingredients here in this blender along with the ice, put it on the blender for 10-15 seconds, and then I'm going to put it into a double rock glass. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to fill up part way, maybe about 1/4 of the way up with ice, this cup, 1.5 ounces of your Amaretto, then we're going to go with, or I should say 1.5 shots. And we're going to do 2 shots of orange juice. Now if you really want to make it really well, I mean, you could squeeze your own oranges. And then we're going to put in 1 shot of sweet and sour. So as I mentioned before, we're going to take a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to add, you want to be careful with this one because otherwise it really froths up. I'm going to add maybe a 1/4 shot, not much, of egg whites. You can use your own eggs, crack it in half, get the yolk out, and use those, or you could just buy it in a container. All right, I'm putting the bottom on. Go ahead and put it on this little bullet. All nice and mixed up, and you're going to see it's all nice and frothy. And couple of straws, whoever you may be serving this to, and that's an Amaretto Stone Sour. From my bar to your home. Cheers.